Good morning, dear students. In the previous video we have studied about the acids. If you remember, we have tabulated the taste of different substances as it is given here in the table. Okay, so we have seen that some substances taste sour, some bitter, some salty and some as sweet. Okay, the substances which taste sour, we classified them as acids. We have also studied the properties of the acids, different types of acids. Okay, now in this video we are going to study another group of substances according to their taste. Okay, so baking soda, as we can see from this table, the taste of baking soda is bitter, whereas of bitter gourd it is also what? It tastes bitter. So we can say that the substances that taste bitter are known as bases. That is B for bitter and B for bases. Okay, that means the baking soda as well as the bitter gourd are basic in nature, or they are bases. Okay, now one more thing is there, that if we rub the solution of these bases, okay, if we rub their basic solutions, or if we rub their solutions between our fingers, then they feel slippery to us or they feel soapy to us. So we can also add on one more thing to it, that the solutions of bases, or the solutions which feel slippery to us, okay, are known as bases. Okay, solutions which are slippery and they taste bitter are known as bases. Now there are some bases which are soluble in water. Okay, some bases which are soluble in water. So these bases are known as alkalis. That means alkalis are what? These are the bases which are soluble in water. Then what are the examples of these alkalis? Sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and potassium hydroxide, KOH. That means these are bases, and because of their solubility in water, we are also calling them as alkalis. Okay, now these alkalis, these are corrosive in nature. That means they have a harmful effect and they are harmful to our skin also. Okay, so while handling these acids and bases, we should take care. Okay, we should be very precautious, we should be very careful while handling with these bases and acids. Okay, now one thing to be noted here is that all alkalis are bases. Okay, because what are alkalis? These are the bases which are soluble in water. So we can say that all alkalis, these are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. Why we are saying this? Because all the bases are not soluble in water. Only certain bases are soluble in water, and those are classified as alkalis. But we cannot say that all the bases are soluble in water. So we can say that bases are not, or all the bases are not alkalis. Okay. Now here we have tabulated some strong bases and some weak bases. Okay, so the examples of strong bases are like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. So all these are the strong bases, whereas the bases like aluminium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, these are some of the weak bases. Okay. Now let us understand the uses of bases. What are the uses of bases? Okay, so these are also very important for us. Okay, because these bases are used in soap and detergent industry. Okay, in pulp and paper industry we use some of the bases, like we give an example of sodium hydroxide. Okay, or for manufacturing other chemicals also these bases are very useful. Okay, for preparing antacids also these bases are useful. As a cleansing agent they are used. Okay, in textile industries they are used, or for the softening of hard water also these bases are used. So there are number of uses of these bases. Now here, as you can see, that a table is here in which we have shown different substances and the name of the base present in these. Okay, the first one is lime water. As you can see, in lime water which base is present? That is, this is known as calcium hydroxide. Okay, this is known as what? This is known as calcium hydroxide. The window cleaners which we are using, in that one base is there, that is known as ammonium hydroxide. Okay, in soaps, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide is present, whereas in milk of magnesia, okay, in this a base named as magnesium hydroxide is present. Okay, so this is the list of the bases which are present in these different types of substances. Okay, so in this video we have learned about what bases are. Let us recall that the bases are what? These have a bitter taste and these are soapy to touch. The bases which are soluble in water, these are known as alkalis. All the alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. We have also studied about the weak bases and the strong bases, and we have studied the uses of bases. Along with that, different bases present in different types of substances. Okay, so this was all for today. Thank you.